Using DigitalOcean Droplet backups is an essential part of managing your cloud infrastructure, ensuring your data is safe and can be easily restored in case of any issues. To get started, you need to understand what droplet backups are and when to use them. Droplet backups are automatic or manual snapshots of your DigitalOcean droplet, which can be used to restore your server to a previous state. You should use DigitalOcean Droplet backups in several key situations. First, use backups before making major changes to your server, such as updating your operating system, installing new software, or changing configuration files. This ensures that if something goes wrong during the update process, you can easily restore your server to its previous state. Second, use backups before deploying new code or applications to your server. This is especially important if you are deploying a new version of your application, as it allows you to quickly roll back to a previous version if something goes wrong. Third, use backups regularly, such as daily or weekly, to ensure your data is safe in case of hardware failure, software corruption, or other unexpected issues. DigitalOcean provides automatic backup options, which can be enabled when creating a new droplet or added to an existing one. To create a backup, log into your DigitalOcean account, go to the Droplets page, and click on the droplet you want to back up. Then click on the Backups tab and select Enable Backups or take a snapshot. You can also use the DigitalOcean API or command line tools to create and manage backups. In addition to using DigitalOcean Droplet backups, it is also recommended to use other backup methods, such as creating snapshots of your data volumes or using third-party backup services. This ensures that all your data is safe and can be easily restored in case of any issues. By following these best practices and using DigitalOcean Droplet backups effectively, you can ensure your data is safe and your server is always available. Regular backups provide peace of mind and allow you to focus on developing and growing your application, rather than worrying about data loss.